I have many layers that you got to unfold. I can make you shed a few tears before you could reach my core. I sit firmly rooted to the ground and make no bones about my voluptuous frame profound. I prefer my outfits in hues of violet, white, red, and pale yellow. My sharp and pungent taste can make you salivate, dear fellow. I show up all year round. My popularity with people across the globe knows no bounds. My versatile nature finds me many uses. I can make your hair look luscious, thick and long, and make your heart young and strong. I make your charts and tadkas come in union. A big hit among master chefs and home chefs. Do you recognize me already? Yeah, bittersweet root vegetable, onion.
The multifaceted onion not only finds use in our kitchen to make us the savory and lip-smacking dishes, but also as a vegetable that people often apply on their skin and hair as part of their beauty regime. So, let your tresses discover strength, shine, and luster with Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo and Conditioner.
All you got to do is apply a generous amount of Wow's Red Onion Black Seed Oil Hair Shampoo on hair wetted with lukewarm water to open up the cuticles. Massage your scalp and hair thoroughly with the shampoo for 2 minutes. Rinse the shampoo off with cold water to seal the cuticles. Make sure to squeeze out excess water before using conditioner. Follow the step with taking a dollop of conditioner onto your palm and spread evenly through the length of your hair, starting at the tip and working towards the roots. Leave it on for 3 minutes. Avoid applying to the roots unless you have very dry scalp. Rinse thoroughly with plain water and follow with a cold water rinse to lay the cuticles flat for extra smoothness and shine. Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Hair Shampoo has been formulated to help moisturize and protect weak and limp hair. It helps to smoothen out hair cuticles to make hair glossy and lustrous. Rich in antioxidants, nutrients, and vitamin E that supports healthy hair, this shampoo helps to improve your hair texture and strengthen the strands. Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Hair Conditioner contains red onion seed oil extract, black seed oil, and hydrolyzed wheat protein, which aids in promoting healthy hair and gives it a strong, lustrous, and shiny look. This moisturizing conditioner is suitable for all hair types, free of mineral oil, silicons, parabens, and color. So, what are you waiting for? Get your Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo and Conditioner today and let people be mesmerized by your luscious and strong locks. Links to buy these products are mentioned in the description box below. Take care.